everyone and welcome to the DIY Unicorns Presents Just Art It. This is the second episode of Just Art It, in which I'm going to show you how to make some DIY pen pencil holders. So the first one is for the lazy, who don't want to do much hard work. The second one is who are bored and don't have anything to do. So without further ado, let's get started.
So for the first pen pencil holder, we will take a rounded container and any design paper of your choice. I'm taking a red handmade paper. So that's it, just wrap the paper around the container and you have your lazy pen pencil holder just in 2 seconds.
Have you all ever been in this situation where you all are really concentrating on something and for a slight bit, a little while, you'll just want to take a break and keep your pen somewhere and the pen just vanishes? Yes, it does. And you just don't know where is it gone. So presenting the pen pencil holder. With this, your pens will never vanish again. Look at this girl. Now she has the pen pencil holder with which she can keep her pen in it again, and her pen will never ever lose or vanish. It works. Oh, by the way, that pen is on your head. Yes, yeah. Oh, here you are. So for the second pen pencil holder, which is going to be inspired by the Madhubani art design, I have taken a sheet of paper and drawn the Madhubani art illustration or design on it. You can either print this or draw it by hand, as I have done. And of course, we'll need a container and repeat the same step as we did for the first pen pencil holder.
So you all can choose whichever design you want and customize it with the colors of your choice.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more videos. No matter if they come late, they will come. And share this video with your family and friends.